Once the vehicle ignition is turned on, press the Auto button to activate the automatic climate control system. Initially, both temperatures will be the same. Turning the dual knob to the right increases both preset temperatures in the display. Turning it to the left decreases the preset temperatures. To set a different temp for the passenger, press the dual knob. In dual mode, the passenger can then use the knob at the right to set a different temperature for their area. Pressing the dual knob again changes the passenger's preset temperature to match the driver's again.